Hi, good evening, teacher and classmate. I am Africa Holder, and today I am going to talk about cities in the world. And I chose Spain. Spain is one of the largest countries in Europe. Spain's capital and largest city will be Madrid. It also have other major urban areas that will be Barcelona, Valencia, Seville, Zaragoza, Malaga, and Bilbao. Today I am going to talk about the most important aspects in Spain, and this will be including people, buildings, events, tradition, and also food. You might be surprised with what I'm going to show you. First, I am going to talk about Ibiza. Ibiza is a party land known as the most famous parties in Europe because it has the most famous DJs in the world. Also, in Spain is famous for the Clásico in football between the Real Madrid and the Barcelona fans club. As we could see here, they have a delicious dish originally from Valencia, and it's called La Paella. This dish consists from white rice, green beans, also meat. This meat will be chicken, rabbit, or duck. It also includes saffron and rosemary and is normally served with seafood. Also, it has these snacks named tapas. Tapas, you could serve it hot or cold depending on the type of food that you are going to eat, but it's normally served with drinks as an appetizer. La Sangria. This is a famous drink from Spain, even though it is worldwide. It comes from the Spanish word sangre that means blood. It's because of a dark red color. This drink consists of red wine, chopped fruit, sugar, brandy, or orange juice. When you make this mixture, you have to chill it at least for 1 hour. And when you serve it in the cups, you have to have fruits. This is a delicious drink, but it's very strong. Pablo Picasso is famous for one of his paintings named La Guernica. La Guernica is a depiction of the bombing of Guernica during the Spanish Civil War. La Tomatina. La Tomatina is a kind of fiesta that occurs in Spain the last Wednesday of August. It's a tomato fight that begins from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. This occurs in Viñol, near to Valencia. And when they fight with tomato, the city stay red. And it's for the phrase that means let's paint the tongue in red. The bullfighting. The bullfighting is very famous in Spain, and it's also known as La Corrida. La Corrida needs 3 matadores. These 3 matadores have to fight at least 2 bulls out of 6 bulls. And the bulls have to be at least 4 years old and weigh at least 460 kilos. Miguel de Cervantes Saavedra is the most famous writer in España, and one of his most famous work is Don Quixote. La Sagrada Familia. This architecture is a church. It was constructed by Antonio Gaudí. Antonio Gaudí didn't begin this wonderful architecture, but it was begun by another architect that eventually resigned, and then when Gaudí took over this, he made a unique and only basilica. These are 10 out of 20 places in Spain. I hope this inspires you to go and visit Spain and see what more it has to offer us. Thank you very much for your time and for paying attention to my presentation. Thank you.